Hello guys, my name is Engineer Alide. We want to look at question on circular motion, and as we solve, just make sure you follow up and you will get it. Now, before we solve question on this, please go and watch the video on circular motion. It says an object of mass m, mass 8 kilogram, is way round in its vertical circle of radius. What radius? 2 meter, with a constant speed of what? V equal to what? 6 meter per second. Calculate the maximum tension when G is equal to what? 10 meter per second square. Now, to calculate maximum tension, use T max is equal to mg plus mv square over r. I think I gave that formula in our previous video. So, I want to have it as what? 8 times 10 plus what? 8 times velocity is what? 6 square over what? Over 2. Now, this one is what? 80 minus, this is 4. 4 times 36 will give us what? And 36 give us 144. 144, that means 36 times what? 4 is 144. Then we add them together. If you add 144 plus what? 80, then what you have 224 Newton. That is your answer, 224. So this is the maximum tension. Now number 2, it says well, an object travel at a constant speed on a diameter of what? Constant speed on a diameter of what? This. Then and complete one revolution in 4 seconds. Now the frequency now is equal to what? 1/4 is the frequency. Complete what? One revolution in 4 seconds. So this is rev per second. Now, if you are given that, then W omega is equal to what? 2 pi n over t. So that will give us what? 2 times pi times 1/4. That will give us what? Pi over 2 rad per second square per second. Now, we are given what again? Diameter is omega. We are given diameter. What diameter? Diameter divided by 2 is equal to radius. If diameter of the what? Of the circle is given, diameter divided by 2 is equal to radius, which is what? 16.5 divided by 2. That should be 8.25 thereabout. 16.5 divided by 2. That is 8.25 meter. So now we say find what? Calculate the centripetal acceleration. So centripetal acceleration is what? Omega square r. And that omega is what? Pi over 2 all square times what? 8.25. So this one will give us what? Into bracket what? What? Pi over 2 divided by what? 2 all square. So that will give us what? So this one divided by 2, then W square R. Don't forget that this one they say complete one revolution in 4 seconds. That's how we say. And don't forget frequency is equals to what? N over T in 4 seconds. That's why we will use this particular formula to solve. 1 is over 4 times. Then angular velocity is what? 2 pi n over t. So 2 pi n over t, this one cancel, this one remain 2. So that's how we get this one. This is 1 revolution. Then after getting your angular velocity, diameter is what? This is what? When you divide diameter equal by 2, you have the radius of the circle. That's what we have done here. You get this. Now, radius of the circle now, you now multiply it by what? Angular velocity square. And that's what we have as pi divided by 2. Then square it times 8.25. So I want to have it as what? 20.356. meter per second square. So that one is clear now. Now the next thing you get now is, let's say number 3, a bulb of mass 5.3 kg execute a motion in a vertical circle of radius. Our R is what? 0.5. If the bulb is attached to the string, and this does maintain a velocity in the string when the bulb is at the top. Now the mass is already what? 5.3 kg. Then the radius is what then? They will give us, they say maintain this velocity when it's at the top. Now the velocity is not given to us. Let's check. There should be a velocity. Yes. Let's check the velocity, because velocity should have been given. They said a bulb of mass 5.3 execute a motion on a vertical circle of radius 0.5. If the bulb is attached to a string and then maintain a velocity of what? 6.5 in the string, velocity of 6.5 meter per second in the string, meter per second. So if we are getting velocity now, that means velocity is equal to what? 6.5 meter per second in the string when the bulb is at the top of the what? Circle. The G is what? Now they said what is what? Now they have given us everything. We want to they see what we should calculate what if the bulb is at the touch. They say what can find the tension when the bulb is at what? Find what? Tension T when the bulb is at the top of the circle. So that is the right question now. So a bulb of mass 5.3 kg execute a motion in a vertical what? Circle of radius 0.5 meter. Full stop. They said if the bulb is attached to a string and thus maintain a velocity of 6.5 meter per second in the string, find T when the bulb is what is at the top of the circle. So we are looking for that is minimum tension. At the top of it, that is theta equal to 180, which is what? mg minus mv squared over r. Then mv squared over r minus mg. This is what we call the minimum tension. So that will now give us what this centimeter force minus mg. If it is plus, it is maximum tension. So that will give us what? 5.3 into back what? 6.5 squared all over what? 0.5 minus 5.3 times what? 10. So what do we have now? I want to have 5.3 times what? Let's do it again. 5.3 times what? 6.5 squared. Then divide by what? 0.5 minus 53. So what do we have as our answer? We would have what? 394.85 Newton. So what you just need to do is to square the what? 6.5 first, then multiply by the mass 5.3, then divide by what? 0.5. Then whatever anything you get there, remove it from 53. It's as simple as that. You get this one as the answer. Now that is how to find. You have looked for minimum tension. You have also looked for maximum tension. So don't forget, C tension is equal to what? mv squared over r plus or minus what? mg. So when do we use plus? We use plus when it is maximum tension. We use minus when it is minimum tension. I believe you have enjoyed the class. Ensure you subscribe to this channel to get more. Thank you.